Huh.
All right, girls, there it is.
Yeah, and no creeps in sight.
We'll find those women and send these biotech creeps back to the Stone Age. Piece of cake.
One of your friends eating her as well? God, piece of... Oh, God. I didn't digest it already. Yeah, well, now there's a digestion.